Damn it.
Hi there, sir.
Hello.
Officer Eller, Butte Police Department. The reason why I'm stopping you today, thank you, is when you were coming into town, you were at 48 and a 40. You slowed down when you got to me,
I thought I'd slow down. I guess I didn't.
and then when you passed me, you sped back up.
Really?
Yes, because you were at 41 and a 35 when I decided to turn around and come get you.
Okay.
Any particular reason why you don't want to follow the speed limit?
I don't know.
No? Heading home?
Yeah, here's my insurance.
Okay. No, I gotta run this
Okay.
real quick.
Okay.
But yeah, I see you got insurance.
Yeah.
Good through May.
Mm-hmm.
So what's the deal? You don't like doing the speed limit or what?
I don't know, I guess I was just in a hurry. I wasn't paying attention.
I saw me sitting there, obviously.
I didn't see you there.
Didn't see a squad car.
No, I
sitting
did
there.
not. I slowed down. I thought I slowed down enough.
No, I get it. You just weren't paying attention to the road.
Hmm?
I was sitting in an empty parking lot facing south,
Okay.
and you totally missed a squad car.
Well, usually I'm not looking for squad cars.
No, most people aren't, but usually
Yeah.
people pay attention to what their surroundings are, regardless. So you were right to the 35.
Okay.
So just stay right here. I'll be back. All right. Now.
Okay.
So here's the thing. Obviously, you're not paying attention to the roadway.
Well, I was paying attention to the road. I wasn't looking at like surrounding cars.
Understand what I'm going to say?
Okay.
I'm not writing you a citation,
Okay.
but at the same time, you need to slow down because there are kids over on this road.
Mhm.
And they like to come out at night. One's autistic. He's unpredictable as hell.
Mhm.
Okay?
Okay.
I don't want to have to come pick him up, put him into a back of an ambulance because you guys aren't paying attention to the roadway. You're not. You say you are, but if you missed an entire squad car sitting on the side of the road that doesn't sit there at all, hardly ever, that means you're not really paying attention to the roadway.
I was paying attention in front of me. I wasn't looking like way off to the side or anything,
I wasn't off on that side.
or whatever side you were on. I didn't
Yeah.
know.
See, and that's the thing. You gotta pay attention to your surroundings.
Usually I do.
Yeah, but you didn't in this case.
Okay.
So I understand you think you were paying attention to what's in front of you, but if you look at the whole picture, you'll see more than what you think you should. Okay? That's what I'm trying to get across.
Okay.
All right? Take care.
All right. Thank you.